like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long they look like up to me. They look up to me. I got fake people.
Hey guys, I'm Chance for Healthy Hair and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick and easy style for when you're on the go and you don't have a lot of time. It's going to just be a simple bun with one of these donut guys. So we're going to be using our donut, our brush, a little bit of mane and tail detangling spray, and a little bit of a moisturizer, the olive oil growth lotion, and stuff I can't live without, the Eco Styler olive oil gel, and white tooth comb, and last but not least, my favorite olive oil nourishing sheen spray. So first thing we're going to do is just separate the hair into 2 to 4 parts. I'm going to do 2. And then I'm going to take the spray, give it a good shake. And this is just in case the hair has a little bit of knots. This will help the knots slip away and help to not have your hair break. And then also I did, when I took a shower, I did wet my hair a little bit. That's why it looks damp, because I had thrown some water. Not too much moisturizer, but hey, more is less. You know your hair, if it needs moisture because it's pretty dry, then you know, go for it. Okay, then we're going to start from the ends, and look at that. Flawless. Comb's just working through. Awesome stuff, right? So we're just going to pin her up. And a repeat.
I've been down so long, it looked like up to me. They look up to me. And I got fake people showing fake love to me. Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face. I've been down so long.
Okay, awesome. So we're going to take down this side. And take your time, guys. There's no real rush for this unless you're late for work. But then you probably shouldn't be doing your hair. Alright. So I'm going to tip my head forward and just comb everything up. Okay. Beauty. So now I'm going to take some of the Eco Styler gel and I'm just going to put it in the back.
Straight up to my face. Straight up to my face.
So now you're going to get one of your elastics and just feel to where you want to have your bun. Pretty good to me. Beauty. Take your donut. Put it around. And you can just make sure everything's detangled one more time. Good. And then just spread it out. So you don't actually need an elastic for the final part. You can just turn the hair around the donut and tuck it in. Shoot, my donut's lean, whatever. There we have it. And if you want to do some stuff to your edges, You can take a little bit more gel. I think I'm just gonna do that. And then you take your Sheen spray. Just give it a little bit of shine, girl. And that is it. That is how I get my quick bun in approximately 8 minutes or less. All right, girls. Have a nice day. As always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video. And have an awesome day. Ciao.
Look like love to me. They look good to me.